Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can implement map in a JavaScript. So first of all we discuss about what is map in JavaScript. So map is mainly used to hold a key value pair data in a JavaScript. So key is a data type and value is a maintain insertion order. So now we can let's understand using example. Map and map set method, it will use to store the information. Less and set and address is Valsar. Now we are going to print this map. Now run this file. Now name is Nilesh and address is Valsar. So here I want to specific key value. For that I want to one variable name and map get method, it will use to get the value from the map. Here I want to key name from and from map, and now check out. Name is name object. Now here what we do, here map into map we set name and address Nilesh and Valsar and print out map, and I want to name specific one value from the map. For that I get method use. Now name object, I think it would be Nilesh. Now run this file node.js. now see, first we print to entire map, then it print all the value of map, name and address, and second I get specific key value name and it will fetch Nilesh. So this way we can implement map in a JavaScript and we can store the key value pair data.